Hello everyone, I'm Nam, but everyone calls me Nam Big City Boy. Today, I will tell you the story of how I become a rich man. Originally, my father is Mike Nhựa and my mother is Chang Ching. We are the richest family in Hanoi. We're so rich that when I was born, I had to step back a few steps to reach the finish line. For me, it is normal to have breakfast in Dalat, then go to Paris to watch the Eiffel Tower, drink tea, and watch the sunset. Although this kind of luxurious treatment is boring sometimes. Usually in other stories, characters like me don't do well in school. Well, you guessed that right. It's the same in this story too. And like any other individual students, I do have a crush. Her name is Mai Anh, but I like to call her Mang. Mang is a beautiful girl who originates from British. She's well studied and she used English as a language to study and communicate. That's what made me uncomfortable the most. One time, I tried to talk to her.
What are you doing?
I'm finding some information for my French project. How to learn French effectively.
With my bad English skills, it's impossible for me to understand anything that she is saying. So all I can say to her was okay. And the next day, our class had a party at a fancy Western restaurant. At an epicure, I started to order the food. 10 bát súp cá mập, thịt bò bít tết, bào ngư.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Excuse me.
I was surprised and don't know what to do. Right after that, a classmate of mine had to order the food for me. Right in front of everyone, right in front of my crush. I wish that there was a hole somewhere so I can jump in it to hide my embarrassment from this stupidity. So from that day onward, I decided to learn English. Bố, mẹ, con muốn học tiếng Anh.
Con nói thật chứ? Con của chúng ta lớn được rồi ông ạ.
Đúng là con trai của ta. Nếu con được 7.2 IELTS, ta sẽ trọng thưởng cho con một phần thưởng cực lớn. Còn ta chắc chắn con sẽ thích. Vâng, con sẽ cố gắng. Cố lên con trai.
For the first month, I almost gave up. Vocabulary are too difficult for me to memorize. I always had started to focus on grammar exercises, but the drowsiness kept coming and my bed heart became more and more tempting. And my tutor also became helpless at my English illiterate and my stubbornness for not studying properly. The lengthy grammar formulas that I wrote were also say goodbye to my brain the very next day. Impotent, depressed, so I gradually neglected from my study. No, how can I give up so easily? For the second month, I came up to my friends. Ê mày, có cách nào để học giỏi tiếng Anh mà không cần học không?
Tao có nghe nhầm không? Mày mà muốn học giỏi tiếng Anh á? Chắc đến ngày thứ 3 là bỏ cái gì?
Vớ vẩn làm gì có chuyện không học mà giỏi cũng như không làm vào đời có ăn cái gì.
Lần này tao quyết tâm thật đấy, đừng bao giờ khinh thường người khác. Thế là thế nào nhỉ?
Với cái năng lực của bọn tao chắc chắn không giúp được gì cho mày. Nhưng mà tao có anh học bá, chắc là sẽ giúp được cho mày đấy.
For my dream to speak like a native, I didn't hesitate to ask him to meet up with me at a library. Hello bro, what's up? I heard about your name for a while now, but finally I was able to meet you now. It's an honor.
You must be Nam, a friend of Tuan. Okay, you can ask me any question.
Here's a story.
Okay.
I had just learned English for a while now. I tried to up all the grammar vocabulary in my brain. Okay, but it's too difficult, and I forgot about it the next day. And I don't even know how to read or pronounce the easy word. It makes me feel a bit discouraged.
Okay, I got your problem. I think it's because of you are a news of this. You must be inexperienced. And you know that the elder often said, listen, speak, read and write. As you can see how a child learn their mother tongue language. Firstly, they try to hear what the elder said, and then they copy and repeat what they heard. We can say that is their speaking is not good, but through day after day of practice, they become more and more accurate. After that, they started to learn the alphabet and read the paragraphs. And the last, after all skill has been complete, they try to write a complete essay. Okay, you got it?
I see. Oh, how stupid of me.
Oh, don't worry about that. That's okay, man. You can learn a bit every day. It's enough to grow than yesterday.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay?
From that conversation, I was able to start from the beginning, and I had researched a suitable and methodically way to learn for me. But perhaps that wasn't enough for a lazy boy for so long. That night, while I was learning pronunciation, I fell asleep. In my dream, an old man with hair white as snow appeared and talked to me.
You are doing great, but not yourself. All success thanks to patience and hard work. Ha 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 ha. Remember that.
That laugh made me wake up. It fills me with energy more than ever. And just like that, after many months, I spent my day for that second language. Gradually, I started to speak fluently in English. Chatting with Mang or watching a movie without Viet sub is an easy thing, and my friend had looked at me in a different ways. 2 years later, maybe because I'm gifted, I have successfully scored 9.0 IELTS.
Come with me, son. Be careful.
I'm so excited.
Oh, son, this is your reward because you do very great in learning English.
What is it?
You will see now. Turn back, turn back. Take off. Yeah, I will get you. Here is your reward.
Wow!
And
Really?
this is your reward. A new house.
Really? Really?
Yes.
Dad? Oh my god, thank you!
Oh, son. This is your new house now. You can live and do anything in here.
Thank you, Dad! And this is the story of how I become successful.